A study from the Keiko institutional grade analytics tool put XRP ahead of BNB, Solana, and Cardano in terms of how liquid it is. Besides that, the price of XRP dropped because fewer people wanted to buy it. But is it still possible for the crash at the end of the year? Lastly, well-known people in the XRP community have recently argued about how many XRP coins will be needed to make owners millionaires in the next few years when the asset reaches its predicted moon value. Try to stay until the end, because I'm going to tell you how much XRP you need to become a millionaire. You should watch this new video right away if this sounds like something you'd be interested in. Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Here, we talk about the latest news about XRP and cryptocurrencies in general. Thank you for watching our videos. If this is your first time, we will make sure you feel welcome. If you don't want to miss another movie, please click on the bell icon. We're letting you know that this station is giving away 200 XRP. To be eligible, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag XRP. The winner will be announced today at the end of the video. Here's why XRP could go through the roof at the start of 2024. As the new year goes on, XRP seems to be stuck in a technical snag that could cause the asset to stop moving. A descending triangle shape can be seen on the coin chart. On the XRP and USD chart, this is usually a sign of weakness because it means that lower highs are meeting a stable level of support. But the breakthrough will almost certainly cause prices to go through the roof. The triangle shape makes it look like XRP's price is being pushed down, which makes it less volatile. In coin markets, volatility can be both good and bad. There are times when extreme volatility causes big losses and times when it causes big gains. In terms of XRP, the lack of instability could mean that traders aren't as interested in the market or that it isn't moving as quickly, which could hurt its performance. The base of the triangle is very important because it acts as a support line. A sell-off could happen if XRP's price doesn't break above the descending trend line but instead breaks below support. This would confirm a bearish view. To escape a bearish fate, it is very important for the asset to be able to keep its value above this important point. With January off to a bad start, XRP could join what traders call a crab market. There is no clear direction in this sideways movement. Even though dealing in a range of prices is less risky in terms of sudden drops, it can be bad in the long run. This could mean that investors are losing faith and there aren't many good factors that can push the price up. As long as the asset doesn't break up, the falling triangle doesn't mean the end of the world right away. However, the longer XRP stays in this shape, the closer it gets to the triangle's pointy end, which usually leads to a big move. The market will be very alert for any changes in volume or outside market forces that might affect the direction of this move. The way things are now is especially bad for XRP because it looks like the asset might not do well all year. If an asset needs a lot of trading and investor attention, this kind of market behavior could cause its place in the market to slowly slip away. Don't forget to subscribe to our station and hit that bell to be the first to know what's going on with XRP. In a recent tweet, Keiko talked about its recently released study, which was an in-depth look at the liquidity of the top 40 tokens. It called into question the usual use of market capitalization as a key measure and emphasized how important liquidity is to a token's real value. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP were the top 3 tokens in terms of trading in the third quarter. According to the study, BTC and ETH have stayed on top in terms of both market cap and liquidity. In the meantime, BNB, which is ahead of XRP in terms of market cap, fell to 8th place in terms of liquidity as of the third quarter report. Keiko said that on the Binance market, BNB is mostly liquid. The report, on the other hand, said that XRP had a better liquidity value. In particular, XRP came in third place, right behind Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of volume. The Ethereum layer also stood out because it beat its market cap score by 25 spots. In particular, it made it into the list of the 10 coins with the most volume. Notably, the results for the third quarter were based on a number of different factors. Spreads, market depth 0.1% to 1%, volume, and the amount of liquid exchanges that support each token were all part of it. There were two different levels of market depth, one for high-frequency traders and one for long-term users. It was also pointed out in the study that having more liquid exchanges for a token makes things more complicated. Things like manipulating oracles become harder to do because of it. This measure put BTC, Ethereum, and XRP far ahead of all other tokens, giving them a large lead. Not only that, but XRP's price is going down even more at a time when it really wants a correction to the upside to extend its long-term gains. CoinMarketCap data shows that the price of XRP has dropped to 62 cents in the last 24 hours, a drop of 0.39%. Based on what we know now, XRP's weekly gains have now dropped to a mere 1.11%. This year has been very rough for XRP, with big highs and lows. This year there have been both gains and losses. For example, at the end of January, there was a 20.1% rise, followed by a more than 7% drop in February. Bulls and bears in XRP fought over the coin's direction from March to August, going through cycles of price rises and drops. The pattern of short-term rises and falls ended in September, when a steady rise began again. Even though each month from September to November only saw small gains, they have added up to XRP trying to end the year on a positive note. So far in December, the coin has grown by 2.7%, which means it passed the stress test as it tries to break the month's downward trend from 2017. There are less than 40 hours left in the year, and it looks like XRP bears are in charge. A lot of people in the XRP army are hopeful that the cryptocurrency can get a huge growth boost before the end of the year. While retail investors seem to have put their swords away for the year so far, as shown by the 25.81% drop in trade volume. How much money can you get with 500 XRP coins? That's the big question of the day. Don't forget to subscribe to our station and hit that bell to be the first to know what's going on with XRP. The talk began with a post on X by pro-XRP influencer Kenny Nguyen. Over the years, Nguyen said, he has been asked many times how much XRP someone needs to hold in order to become a millionaire. He gave the same answer as before, saying that 500 XRP can turn anyone into a millionaire. At the current market price for XRP, 500 XRP is only worth $312. To put it another way, Nguyen thinks that someone who invests $312 in XRP today might make $1 million tomorrow. It would have to be worth $2,000 on the market for that to happen, which means that XRP would have to grow by 319,643% from its present value of 62 cents. But the picture that was linked to the tweet makes it seem like Nguyen's words might not be what they seem to be. At the same time, crypto expert JD disagreed with Nguyen. He said that in the next market wave, having between 100,000 and 200,000 XRP could make you a millionaire. At the same time, JD said that the idea that